All right, what's up, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. We're going to do another update on the VIX, okay? But before we do, we're going to take a look at the S&P 500 futures /ES on our weekly chart, and we're going to go over the volume profile, okay? In the last update I gave on the volume profile, I covered the volume gaps, okay? Right here, right, and right here. Okay. Now these are areas where the market is going to move quickly through those prices, okay? Because it likes to move from high volume node, okay, to high volume node. Now that's the thing that I want to highlight. All right. If you look, we moved quickly through the volume gap, okay? And we are now approaching these levels right over here, okay? So those are going to be the areas that I'm looking at on, as a possible top. Okay. There's going to be a lot of volume here. All right. We're going to see if this is going to be a resistance wall. Okay. That we are not able to break through. All right. Now we still have some room to go. Okay. I think we can come up to like 4,200, 4,250, right? On the futures. All right. So that's really where I'm looking to get more defensive. For now, there hasn't been too much of a reason to fight the rally. Okay. Now we are still trading in this bearish channel. Okay. And again, we have the top of that bearish channel approaching. Okay. Right along with the high volume node. Okay. If you look right here, all right, and then look, this is the high volume node. So, we have two areas that really could be a resistance level for us. But we have CPI coming up. All right. CPI has been a roller coaster, right? Last CPI, we got very bad news and the market raged. Okay. This time, we may get good news and the market could react badly, or CPI could come out much higher than expected and react badly. If we get a bullish print off of CPI, right, I'm going to expect it to take us possibly through this, high volume node here. Okay. From here, possibly up to here. Okay. Back to 4,500. Okay. So that would be really surprising, if we are able to climb back up to 4,500. But the first walls that we have to break is, this high volume node right around 4,200. Okay. And this bearish channel right here on the, on the futures. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and dive into VIX now. Okay. And look at the VIX. All right. And we'll go down to the 1 hour chart. And VIX has been performing very nicely. Okay. In my opinion, where the market is still good to keep dropping. All right. We have a bearish channel here, clearly, that we've been respecting. And there's been some bullish divergence, some opportunities to spot the potential pullback, right? So maybe you don't want to go long, in the middle of a big VIX bullish divergence, right? If you look, we create a low and then a lower low, low, higher low right here. Okay. And we just kind of continue that trend, low, higher low right here, lower low. And throughout this area, VIX has made multiple bullish divergences, right? So those are going to be the main things that I'm watching, right? Is I think VIX is going to keep dropping until we really get something to shake up the market. Okay. Even Nancy Pelosi going to Taiwan couldn't, shake up this bullish market that we've got. Okay. And, it's been really nice to see it and keep it maintained. Below 20.5, okay, is really going to be a much more neutral market. All right. We haven't really seen those levels in a long time. I'm going to pull up a different drawing set real quick, right? Just so you guys can see my support levels that I'm currently watching. All right. Now I will draw this pattern up here. Okay. Now I've played this pattern a few times and made some decent money, but not if I held the position, right? If I would have held the position, then I would have had a loss. Okay. So the pattern I'm speaking of is going to be basically this falling wedge pattern on the VIX. Okay. Um, you know, it looks like we do have a descending wedge, a falling wedge, and we could have a breakout to the upside any time. Okay. But we've gotten good signals. Okay. If you look like last time, okay, I had some VIX call options, right? When we had this pattern here and I spotted the bullish divergence, right? Where we had a low, lower low, okay, but we had a low, higher low. And then I saw the nice pattern and I said, okay, well, this could break out and take VIX all the way up to 24. But look, we opened up and VIX was high and then it just keeps going back down. So it's been looking really, really nice. I had a few entries on Friday, this recent last trading day, and we'll go into them. The first one that I had was a rejection here around the middle Bollinger Band. So, once you see it start to trade it down, let me see here. Let's go ahead and put like this. Okay. And so, when I'm seeing these levels, all right, I'm looking to go bullish on SPY, okay, and get some call options on the S&P. Once VIX is showing signs to me that it's has a possible rejection, right? So, I saw it near this middle Bollinger Band. I said, I'd love to see VIX come back down, and sure enough, it did, right? We opened up here, came up. All right, we got that nice resistance level here from our Bollinger Bands, and we dropped lower right to our main support level of 2095. Okay, that's when I closed some positions, came back up, was looking for another rejection along this middle Bollinger Band, entered some call options on SPY right up around here, around this level. Once I seen the breakout, I initially started here, okay, grab call options, double down, grab call options some more, and then sure enough, it was a valid level. We closed below. Okay, and then I was able to close those positions, get back out of them, and look for the next entry, right? And we came up, boom. And this is an area where I'm looking for an entry, right? I'm looking to see, is VIX going to get rejected here at 2201? And if VIX goes down, then I can keep my bullish SPY positions. And if VIX breaks out to the upside, I have this right here would be my stop loss. Okay, we break outside of the Bollinger Bands and start trading outside of those up above, and don't get a rejection there, then I'm going to go ahead and exit my position, right? So hopefully you understand what I mean by that, and hopefully this video is a decent little update. Okay, 2201 and 2095 are the two ranges, major levels that I'm looking for right now. Okay, I want to see us stay below 2201, and I want to see us flip 2095 from support, because it's been a valid support level for 2 days. I want to see us flip that to a resistance level and head further down to 20.5. Okay, so be prepared for any VIX pullbacks, right? We have the nice bullish divergence trend line here. I would be cautious to go into any call positions on or bullish positions in the market if VIX is at this trend line, because this is an area where it could bounce, and that could cause the market to drop just to recover later and shake you out of your position, right? So that's the main reason that I watch VIX every day, is because it helps paint the picture a little bit clearer to me. When I start seeing the market pull back, I want to see, is VIX at a major resistance level, right? A place where we could get rejected. If that's the case, and you also have, the stocks that you're looking at setting up at a nice support level, okay, then it kind of just gives you more confirmation, right? It's like, okay, we have a good support level where we may bounce, and VIX is at a nice resistance level where it could get rejected. All right. So thank you guys for watching. All right. 2095. My next support level is 1845. Just wanted to mention that. Okay. So appreciate it. I'll go ahead and get some more videos going. Okay. Things just been pretty busy with the baby. Just recently had a baby. So, no big deal though. Okay, I already got 3 kids. This is my 4th one. So like, comment, subscribe. Okay, I got to feed these kids, and the market's just not doing it right. We're in a bear market. How can I survive?